Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open HTML files on an iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, this one is an HTML file. So to go ahead and open it up, we need to download an application called Codec or Coder. Coder Code Editor right here. Just find it and then just tap on Get. Wait for it to load. Once that's done, just tap on Open. Tap on Open Coder, and then here just go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and then go ahead and select Import Files from Files. Okay, now go ahead and select your specific HTML file. So for example, I'm just going to upload this one right here. Now I'm going to click on Open. Here we have it. You could add in some more if you want to. For example, this one. All right, now go ahead and tap on one to open it up, and here we have it. You can basically edit your HTML right here if you want to as well. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is to open up a HTML file on your iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.